Hi, this is Sue from Sue Crafts 1. I found a wooden ring and then I tied an old doily fast to it and put a loop on to hang it. And then I was debating what to do. So I'm going to put flowers on it and some fake lavender. Get the hot glue gun ready. I pre-cut these so I would have the right size. And the trick is to remember where I put them all. But I did it so it would fill up with flowers. I'm just going to place them here for now and then go back and glue them on. Make sure I like what I did before I do anything. Glue them fast, I should say. That's a long one. I should go there. Put the greenery. There's more. Where did I place my cutters? That's a long one. I can always cut it. Yeah, I'm just sitting here on my floor and doing this. And then I found some ribbon and I made a nice little bow. And I put a string on the back of it to hang there. Also, oh, that'll be cute. I don't need this. Let me put more flowers on to fill it in more. So that one can go there. It's been a while since I did a video. Been very, very busy. Very busy. Let's see how that looks. Oh, that looks cute. Okay. I got the hot glue gun ready. Move everything around. The garbage out of the way. Hot glue gun is here. Let's take some of these off. Glue these fast. I didn't want to glue them fast, but I guess I'm going to. I'm going to cut this one a hair shorter. And this one a little shorter. And then I'm just going to glue them all together. This one can be a little shorter too. And then start gluing. don't forget that if it gets too hot and you can't do it, add some cold water to it, to your finger, and that'll dry the hot glue immediately. And it won't burn you. Now I lifted this up off the floor so I don't glue it fast to the floor, because then I'd have a problem. And I have lots of glue sticks here for extra glue. Okay, this one over. And then just glue them all together. Glue them fast. I have it up off the floor so it doesn't touch. Nope, this one's not even in the glue. There we go. Put that one there. And glue it fast. I need a new glue stick already. Hold them down together so they all stick. Gotta let it dry a little bit. Got some on my finger. And I have two little ones here. I'm going to cut them off a little shorter. Or can that one go there? That one can go there. This is Sue Crafts. Please like and subscribe. And I will try to get back in the swing of things again, because I had just started and then things happened and I had to stop for a while. I'm going to trim these here. The stems are a little long. That looks good. And I have this one little tiny one. Put glue on the end of it. Stick it in there. Put more glue on. And that looks pretty good. And I got the flowers and I got this ribbon at the Dollar Tree. Very cute. And then I'm going to put the bow on. I pre-made the bow. To get it on so it looks nice. I hope you can hear me well. I'm sticking this through one of the holes in the doily. And then stick the other one in a different hole. I'm so ready for spring. I guess I got spring fever. That's why I'm doing Easter. Decor. Okay. Now, let's tie this ribbon fast. And then we can adjust everything. I'm just going to tie it in a bow in case you want to change the ribbon later on in the spring. And, oh, that one didn't stick. Now we got to put hot glue on this. Stick them down in there. Add more glue. And fix the bow. Bow is cute. It has sparkles on it. It's cute. But like everything else, if you have to go early to get the stuff because the stores are changing seasons so quickly. Maybe I should put more flour in here to fill that space, or and I do have more flour. Yeah, that looks too empty to me. So I do have more flour. So let's cut some more flour. Trying to get my house reorganized, so once I do, we can go and be back in the craft room. Okay, maybe I should cut off a little more. But I'm usually sitting on the floor anyway to do my crafts. Up and down, up and down. So I get my exercise doing crafts. Okay. I just want to cover some of that. Make it look a little fuller. Add some hot glue. Stick that down in there. Down there. Here's this one. Hot glue on it. Stick that down in there. Looks empty right there. Let's see. I want some green showing through too. So, about right there. I can't wait till everything starts growing and turning green again in the yards and the flowers, and then I can start my garden. I like to plant vegetables and flowers. I like to be outside. There, that one got pretty. And I think we're done. Unless I have two little pieces here. Stick one there. Alright, we'll do that. I'll stick that one over here. Somewhere. Clean up my mess here a little bit. And let's see. And there we have it. I'm gonna move the camera. There we have it. This is Sue with Sue Crafts 1. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.